part 6. We're talking about us opening our full-time centre. Like I say, these little videos, they're just to kind of help. Yeah, it's not as going, hey, look at us, as such. Not really. Well, kind of. It's nice to be able to have something to go, hey, look, we did a thing. It's great. But these videos aren't for that. It's just to say, you know, I know times are tough, but there's good to be done out there. You know, there's nice things that you can still do. Okay, it's not all doom and gloom. Okay, not all the time. The next bit is about help and sort of like from a financial standpoint. Okay, if you saw part 5, there was a real quick rundown of like financials in that, of what this place is actually like costing us. Okay, and I use, as you say, the term us, not me. Okay, so if you missed that in the very early parts, in either part 1 or part 2, I can't remember. I mentioned that I ran classes under the club matrix, okay, under our chief instructor. Okay, now this place is not mine, before anyone gets a little bit confused about that. Okay, this is a joint venture for the club between myself and the chief instructor. So we have gone in on this 50-50, which means if this place makes some money, which it might not, I don't know. Okay, we wanted it for the club, not to be the club. There is a difference. Okay, I can define that in the comments if anyone wishes to clarify anything. But yeah, we built it for the club, and then to open other classes afterwards. But yeah, everything's 50-50. We were putting 50-50 in terms of money in each. Anything the place makes, we therefore get 50-50 out. Equipment and stuff like that is roughly 50-50 between us. If it all goes wrong at the end of our 3-year lease and we have to close the place, then we shut it down, we sell everything off, and then we split whatever's left 50-50. But we still have all the other satellites. Yeah, that's the beauty of it. The club existed before this place. If everything goes completely wrong, the club still exists after this place. It just gets to be a nice funny story in 20 years time when me and chief instructor are old and wrinkly sitting in our rocking chairs going, remember that time we tried to do that thing? Oh, that was a mistake. Oh, never mind. You know, be a bit of fun. But on the flip side, if it goes really, really well, and this is a location that can draw hundreds of students, that's amazing. That's an even better tale to tell later in our lives.